Hey, in one of the recent videos, we saw how to detect whether the given number is even or odd with the help of modulus operator and if statement. In another video, we saw how to print the natural numbers from 1 to the given number with the help of for loop. Shall we combine both the logic and can we try to find all the even numbers from 1 to the given number? For this, we'll need to make use of for and if statement both. So let's start. This time I have already typed the hash include statements which the default statements which we need, and in the next programs also I'll just have them pre-printed just to reduce the size of video or the time length. Okay, let's start. The same thing, I have to declare a variable. Let's call it number, then printf enter a number scanf %d, yep, ampersand number. Now we need to iterate as we did for the natural numbers. For I need to take an index. I can declare there also, but I would prefer to declare it here. Index equals 0 semicolon. How long do we want to execute this loop? As long as index is less than number or equal to, so that we consider the entered number also, and then index plus plus. Now here in the for loop we need to use if statement. So this is nesting, what we call index mod 2 double equals 0. Correct? It was the same logic in the last program. Have the same logic here. If it is, then print f. I should not forget. What should we write? What should we write? What should we write? What should we write? Let's just write a number. Why to think so much? And then provide the index. Correct? We should not make the mistake we did last time. It's always good to make the mistakes, but someone said that don't repeat the mistake. That is what we call as a DRY, dry approach. It tells don't repeat your mistake, don't repeat yourself. So let's now start compiling. Let's try to execute it. Enter a number. Okay, enter a number to 10. 0, and 0 is not really an even number, it is 0. So let's start with 1. So what we do is up to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Correct. So the numbers we printed are even numbers. What you can do is just to be more sophisticated to the user. Following are the even numbers from 1 to, let's write that number. Yep. So here we'll just write one statement just to greet user up to 20. Following are the even numbers from 1 to 202. How is it? Isn't it bad? We did a mistake again. Sorry, I did a mistake again. What should I do is I should print /n at the end. So that what will happen? It will print that 2 on the next line. So 2 to 20, these are the even numbers. So in this video, what we did is we used for loop and then we nested it with the if loop, if conditional statements, and with the help of that we tried to print even numbers. Next time we'll try to nest for with the for, and then we will do something beautiful. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe the channel. Take care.